Here's a quick demo of one of the things I did today with my Kayo. I've installed a new tachometer. This is a digital unit, and I did this because the stock tach waggles around. It's not accurate. What I did today was, this was when I got off Amazon, so it had a wiring harness, and I had to figure out how the wiring worked into the Kayo's stock harness. And also, because of the waggling problem, I put a potentiometer on the green wire off the wiring harness. That will give me a little control and adjustability over the signal going to the tach. Hopefully that will fix the problem with the tach where the needle waggles around. So, just as a demo, here it is